Nowadays, the highway toll method in many countries is based on vehicle type. The phenomena such as wrong judgment of vehicle type and bribery of labor to evade the fee caused by manual toll collection continue to exist and increase, resulting in a large number of losses in the highway operation department. At the same time, some toll stations only use license plate recognition to determine the vehicle type, resulting in large vehicles installing small vehicle license plates to evade fees. Signalway Automatic Video Vehicle Classification System focuses on combating the above bribery and evade fees problems. The device can automatically identify the vehicle type with an accuracy of up to 98%. It can also avoid the loss of fee evasion caused by manual fee collection and reduce labor costs effectively. The common axle identifier and laser model identifier on the market only calculate the number of axles by touching the tire and scanning the point to restore the vehicle body, and cannot reflect the details. Signalway Automatic Video Vehicle Classification System uses bionic technology and AI intelligent technology to scan and restore the vehicle body and extract the body feature information, which can accurately output more detailed, colorful, real vehicle pictures, and feature information, including vehicle front picture, rear picture, vehicle body scan, vehicle type, axle number, axle type, wheel number, and so on. And the color picture of the vehicle meets the audit requirements and can be used as evidence of the audit management. From the vehicle type recognition effect, Signalway's equipment will not miss the identification of axles and can distinguish between passenger cars and trucks perfectly. Tollbooth staff can judge and confirm the vehicle type through the picture rather than by the naked eye, which can reduce the manual work intensity and reduce the safety hazard. Signalway is the first one who developed automatic video vehicle classification technology, with self-developed AI recognition algorithms and development capabilities. Signalway is committed to making your traffic smarter through intelligent video technology.